Have you ever considered how often artificial intelligence influences your daily routines? Now let's unravel the thread of artificial intelligence as it weaves its way into our everyday lives. Take your smartphone, for instance. It's an essential tool, right? But have you ever stopped to think about the AI that powers its virtual assistant, enabling it to understand your voice commands, schedule reminders, or even suggest the fastest route home? Now let's shift gears and talk about your favorite streaming platforms. Ever wonder how they always seem to know just the right show to recommend next? That's AI at work, using complex algorithms to analyze your viewing habits and preferences. And this is just the tip of the iceberg. From healthcare to finance, from education to transportation, AI is shaping the future of various industries, driving innovation and opening up new possibilities. Indeed, artificial intelligence is no longer a distant future concept, but a substantial part of our present. Now let's delve deeper into the concept of human-machine interface, or HMI, in the realm of AI. Human-machine interface is the bridge that connects humans and machines, facilitating communication and interaction. It's something you encounter in everyday life, perhaps without even realizing it. When you withdraw money from an ATM or adjust your car's air conditioning through the dashboard, you're interacting with an HMI. But what does HMI have to do with AI? Well, it's quite significant. AI systems are becoming increasingly integrated into our lives, from virtual assistants on our phones to smart home systems. And for these systems to be truly user-friendly and efficient, they need well-designed HMIs. This means interfaces that are intuitive, easy to navigate, and capable of understanding and responding to human needs. In essence, the HMI is the face of the AI system. It's what we interact with, and it's what makes the system accessible and usable to us. As you can see, HMI plays a pivotal role in making AI systems user-friendly and efficient. Having established the importance of HMI, let's now explore its